Hello, everybody. People of Grange, pupils of Grange in year 1 and year 2, welcome to the Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And we know what we are all about at Grange. Let's say this together. The G is for a great caring attitude. We really care. The R is for really trying our best. We always try our best at Grange. The A from Grange is for always learning, especially when we make a mistake. Doesn't feel nice to make a mistake. But what do we do with our mistakes? We learn from them and we grow from them. The next G of Grange is going for improvement and progress. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Am I improving? Am I getting better all the time? Am I making progress all the time? That's what's important. And the E from Grange is for education, which will help us to make great choices. Now, if you were watching really carefully, you might have thought, I forgot the N for Grange. But I did not forget that N, because that N is never give up. We are CC learners, and that is what Grange is all about. And we know at Grange, we believe that our true strength is when we are the very best that we can be. And the way to do that is to have confidence, really believe in ourselves, be our best, and consideration, to care about everybody around us, to care about the world around us, and to know that kindness is strength. If we can look after ourselves, and if we can look after everybody around us, then the world is a better place because of Grange CC power. Here are some Grange pupils. Well, I'm not going to say pupils, I'm going to say people of power, because it's everybody. Our Grange children who welcome the new children, make them feel safe and happy. We have got so many new children in these last few weeks. I think about 20 children have joined us since we came back in January. So, wow. All the children in Grange who welcome the new children, make them feel safe and happy. You just give us hope. You are people of power. All our children do CC walking, CC salutes, star sitting. You give us such hope. All our children who did CC listening this week, especially, and the winning listening class, see later who that is. But really, the children who did that CC listening, star listening this week, wow, you give us hope. And Misa, your Grange CC Power sticker design, I'm looking so forward to receiving it. So anyone who wants to work on a design for a CC Power sticker, please send it to me. Misa, you came up with that idea, and that is amazing. I would love to get that design and print it this year. So wiggle to the people of power from Grange. So what's our character strength focus today? Well, last week we spoke about CC listening. This week we are speaking about CC speaking. Remember, everybody, it's not about who you are right now, but it's becoming your best all the time. CC walking, when you embrace the challenge with your hand on your heart. Star sitting, when you sit up straight and you track the speaker and you ask and respond like a scholar and you respect yourself and you respect all those around you. That is star sitting. And remember, there is no substitute for you. Each of us has to live our best life, and nobody can do that for us. They can support us, they can help us, but we each have to live our best life. So, listening and speaking the CC way. Well, do you remember last time we said with CC listening? So, confident listening is, am I safe? Is this person trying to get me to do something that isn't right? If that's what's happening, I'm stopping listening. I'm going to make the right choices. CC listening, key question for consideration listening. Am I truly listening? Is my mind open? Am I focused? Am I learning? Now, here are the key questions for CC speaking. When I speak, I need to ask myself, would I like it if someone spoke to me this way? Is this the best me speaking? And a key question for consideration speaking, CC consideration speaking. When I say words, are these words going to help? Am I helping by what I'm saying? Am I being kind? That is really important to concentrate on when you're doing CC speaking. Now, last week we had listening star of the week, and we said especially we wanted to see that the adults were giving it out for people who were listening to see that they were safe and making great choices, and for people who were listening with consideration and truly being focused. Remember, we had that teacher educator team challenge. Now it's going to continue because I'll tell you in a moment who won the listening community of the week. But now I've put a new one, and this is CC speaking. That word, there's a Y cut off and an I cut off at the I at the start, Y at the end. Intentionality. CC speaking is when you're really thinking about what you say. Is it kind? Is this the best me speaking? And then consideration, is it helping? Am I helping? So, who were the listening community champions last week? Here we go. Greta Thunberg Learning Community of Grange. I am so proud of you. You did great listening. And the adults and the educators, they obviously listened to this assembly and they saw you listening and taught you listening. I can tell you a secret. The chair of governors and the deputy chair of governors, those are the people in our school who help me because they're always asking me, Mr. Cooper, are you doing your best to be the best head teacher for our school? They keep on to push me to be the best head teacher for Grange. And they came around and they said, wow, children are listening beautifully. Teachers and educators are teaching amazingly. But Greta Thunberg, you are shining. Well done, Greta Thunberg class. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Give yourselves a confidence boost. And everybody, let's applaud Greta Thunberg Learning Community. So here's what we are thinking about. This is CC speaking. This is truly when you need CC speaking. Somebody near you loses it. They're so upset, they're so angry, they're behaving in a way that's not right. You know that's not right. They're not being respectful, they're shouting, they might even be using really bad language. Everything is wrong the way that they're behaving. How are you going to respond? How will you do kind actions? How will you use kind words? So let's train the CC way. I got this amazing is language alternatives. So often we see somebody really upset, really losing it. The first thing we do is we say, calm down. But when you say to somebody who's really upset, calm down, that makes them even more upset. You want to do CC speaking? See somebody really upset? How can I help you? Not calm down. How can I help you? You see somebody crying, they're so upset. Not stop crying. You say, I can see this is really hard for you. You see somebody, they're not okay. As you say to them, you're okay. That doesn't make them feel okay. Are you okay? Genuinely, when you ask a person, are you okay? Somebody's really talking when they shouldn't be talking. Instead of saying, be quiet, can you use a softer voice, please? Somebody's hitting. Now, if you say to them, don't hit, just makes them want to hit more. You could say to them, please be gentle. Please use kind hands. Somebody's shouting. Now, you could say, stop shouting. But that just makes them more angry, make them want to shout more. You could say, take a deep breath, then tell me what happened. Shows you care about them and you're telling them what they could do. Take a deep breath, then tell me what happened. Somebody's really upset. Don't get upset. That just makes them more upset. But we could say, CC speaking, it's okay to feel sad. Somebody's really lost it. That's enough. Doesn't help them. They can't hear it. They're so stressed. It's even something you could do as a friend. Do you need a hug? Those are all powerful CC ways of speaking. So, speaking with confidence and speaking with consideration. Let's just think about a key question for confident speaking. Would I like it if someone spoke to me this way? Is this the best me? Am I really being the best that I could be if I speak like this? Key questions for confident speaking. When I speak, is this going to help? Am I helping? Am I being kind? All the words we saw before, those were helping, they were kind, those were good choices. So we're going to carry on with our educator teacher team challenge. We had listening and the amazing Greta Thunberg Learning Community. You were the listening star community. You really looked You thought about when you were listening, you thought, am I safe? Is the person who's talking to me helping me to make good choices? You thought, am I truly, is my mind open? Am I focused? Am I going to learn? So you did great listening. Now I've put another CC Speaking Award in class charts, and we are going to look this week. We'll carry on the listening one, and we'll see who does brilliant CC speaking. And teachers and educators, you have to use this one, please, because at the end of the week, I look and I see who has been telling children at Grange. That was CC speaking. You spoke with kindness. You spoke with consideration. You did CC training. You didn't just say, calm down. You didn't just say, stop shouting. You didn't say, stop hitting. You said, how can I help you? Please use kind hands. Just found a way to speak really well that would help people. So here's your feedback forum. And Greta Thunberg, I know you're particularly good with your feedback. Can you think of more ways to show really what does good speaking look like when someone is not calm? How can we help other people through our words? How can we do true CC speaking? And our gold stars of the week, well, there's Kavish and Mortata and Aliyah R and Adera and Katerani and Alina. I'm so proud of you. Class champions were Saraji, Laura, Subhan and Rumi, and Alina, and Katerani, and Hassan and Malala, and Clayton and Malala, well done, and Maisa and John Lennon, and Rowan and John Lennon, and Nazanin and John Lennon, and Noreen and John Lennon, and Danya and John Lennon. Brilliant work. And in Greta Thunberg, it was Rosanna, and Houston, and Aftab, and Ashvi, and Abdul Jabbar. And in Alan Turing, it was Mortada, Aliyah, and Kavish, and Adera. Well done. So all of us all together got 17,922 points last week. CC power, that's brilliant. Classy classes, Rumi class were there with 326. John Lennon class 329, just a little bit better than Rumi class, but there was one class. They did great CC listening. Great CC listening. All of us going to work on CC speaking for the next week, but they did great CC listening. And Greta Thunberg class, look at you. Amazing. In the Premier League. Greta Thunberg class, give yourselves a pat on the back. And everybody, let's give them a round of applause. So we put a crazy ambitious term target of 500,000 points. We need another 199,923 points by the end of the spring term. Well, that's a lot. Are we going to make it? Oh, yes, we are, because we are Grange. We are powerful, we are kind, we are loved. We are Grange, so we, of course, are going to make it. And we've had the reindeer for the end of the autumn term as a CC Grange Community Collective Reward. Do you have a suggestion for what would be amazing as a collective community CC Classy Class Grange reward for end of spring term? If you can think of it, please tell your teacher, educator to tell me, or you can tell me when you see me in the corridor. Let's give ourselves a CC salute. Confidence for myself. I won't listen to anybody else telling me negative things. I'm going to be my best. I'm going to believe in myself, and I'm going to choose to make great choices. And I look at my beautiful world, our beautiful world, and I say consideration for everybody and everything in this amazing planet of ours. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead. Be safe and happy, children of Grange, people of Grange. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.